So I told you earlier about the Vaitafe, or the river flowing through our yard, and so here's me fixing it. So I had to dig it up and use my swole or my shovel, and there's all that rock or ma'a, and found the leak, or the leaky, and so I had to couldn't really fix it, so I had to replace it, or I had to replace the pipe, or replace the faucet or the hydrant, or you could say sui le paipa. So there's me putting in the new one, or the paipa fo, or it means the new pipe, or new hydrant, faucet, spigot, whatever you want to call it. And so I had to turn it on, or turn on the water, or ki levai, to check it. There it is, draining, not leaking. So all good. Yep, now I'm happy, or fia fia.